Server and its types. What is a server? Server is a computer program or device that provides a service to another computer program and its user, also known as client. File server. File server is completely responsible for the central storage and management of data types so other computers from the same network can access. Web server. A web server is a computer program that serves requested HTML pages and files. Web browser acts as client. Virtual server. Virtual server is a program running on shared server that is configured in such a way that it seems to each other. Mail server. Receive incoming email from local user and remote sender and forward outgoing email. Proxy server. Proxy server is program running between endpoint device such as a computer and another server from which is a user. Application server. In the distributed network application, server provides the business logic for application.